Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an angel inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw the sweet angel, let's first start by drawing a curve at the top. So I'm going to come right here and I'm basically aiming to draw my usual dumpling shape, which is a little bit narrower at the top and it gets wider towards the sides. So let's start with this top curve. And because I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase, I'm just going to stop about right there. And then I'm going to come in here and draw a curve right in here to cut it off for our halo. But if you're using a pencil, definitely go ahead and finish the squishmallow shape all around first. But like I said, I can't erase, so I'm just going to stop about right there. And then I'm going to come right here and round it off to create this halo that goes around right there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and thicken this curve all the way across. Now that we have our halo in, let's come right here. We're going to continue this curve all the way down. So now we're just starting to build our squishmallow shape all the way down. And I'll just bring it down a little bit more. And so like I said, if you're using a pencil, just finish off this squishmallow shape first. But it's easier for me to just stop about right there because I want to figure out how low to bring the face and then finish off the body, just in case, right? So let's come back, and about in this area right here, I'm going to give myself a point. So I'm just giving myself a little bit of room. So about right here, I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start with a curve that comes down. So just kind of following. And then I'll go come right across and do the same thing. So about the same area over here. And I'm just going to draw a curve that comes down. So we're just starting to draw where the hair is. Then from there, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to start to draw the bangs. So I'm going to go up. And about right there, I'll come down, go up, and one more strand. And bring it right back in. So just creating the bangs. Then from there, I'll bring this down a little bit more. So I'm going to curve to start to create the face. Right here. And here. And about right there, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to draw the eyes first. So I kind of know how far to go down. So about right here in this area, I'm going to start and draw a curve for our eye, for our angel. Come right across, about right here, and do the same thing there. And then I'm going to come in here and just thicken this up. And same thing here. Thicken it up, and then let's add some lashes right here. And one more. And same thing here. 2 and 3. There. And then let's add a sweet smile right in between. So say about right here. And cap it off. Aw, so sweet, right? And when you're coloring, just add some cheeks. Now that we have that in, let's bring this curve down to about right here. And we're just going to go ahead and draw her face. So because I'm using a Sharpie once again, I'm going to stop about right there. And I need to draw some hands that are praying. So right in the center, about right here, I'm going to give myself a point. So just imagine as if this was going through. If you're using a pencil, finish this curve off. But I'll stop right there. This is my center. I'm going to come right here and pop in a line right there. So this is where the hands are going to be put together. And right here, I'm going to go up and down. Same thing here, up and down. And then right here, I'm going to bring it in and in for some very simplified hands. And then right here, we can go ahead and finish off this curve for the face. And then right in this area, we're going to go ahead and cut it off for her robe. Her sleeves, cut it off right there. And then let's just bring this down and out. So same thing here. And out. Okay, so then from there, now we know kind of how far we want to bring this Squishmallow down. So let's bring this down all the way. We're going to end about right here. So if you're using a pencil, like I said, you can definitely just draw this whole shape first. And if you're running out of room at the bottom, you've made your head too big or too small, you can just adjust the height of your Squishmallows. So about right there, go ahead and connect. There. Oh, so sweet, right? So then now let's come back and draw her hair. So we're just imagining this coming through. It's going to pop out about right here. And we're just going to give it 2 zigzags. One more and bring it in. And same thing over here. Curve in, out, and in for her hair. And of course I have to add some right here, add a heart right here. No, not a heart, I'm sorry, a star. So in this area right here, I'm just going to come in here and draw a star to spruce it up. So right here and here. There. And then I'm going to add my heart over here just to make her my draw so cute Squishmallows. And then now for the wings. So let's come to the sides about right here. And they're very simple wings. I'm just going to come out, curve in, come out again, and come out. One more. So 3 of them and in. So same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag a point across, give myself approximately same area on the other side. And we're going to do the same thing. It's out. And one more. There, all done. I really hope you love this very sweet angel inspired by Squishmallows, and that helped you draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.